Good morning. Not morning. Good afternoon. I just had some packages get delivered to the neighbor, maybe like 3 houses down. But it also gave me the opportunity to be nosy, figure out why this particular neighbor always have fabrics in their garage. J-Ron's going to get the packages for me. 3 big boxes. Good job, Jay. It's the patio stuff. Speak it into existence. Whatever it is you want, say it. Believe you're gonna get it before it to come. I think it's supposed to be more packages. They were requiring a signature. You know what I realized? They probably did that intentionally. Because the packaging said signature was required. They never came here. They saw their garage door open and probably thought, this neighborhood, they're gonna let them know. Like, I think they felt like it was trustworthy. Redbird. Hey, Redbird. What do they say about redbirds? This redbird comes every day. Every time I'm out here. Hey! Do you have a message? Okay, I need to learn bird language. Are you talking to me? Is that for me? Caller, I can't hear you. Nature is nature, and you hear nature. Well, let's enjoy nature. Let me blow y'all some bubbles, because that's what our life is all about. What they calling? I need to go get some real suds. Okay, so much for the show. You won't be getting a show, a bubble show. Sorry. God damn, Fred, because listen, the bubbles didn't work out, okay? This is it. These are the boxes. Yeah, it's actually missing. There's some more that's coming. There's gonna be some more. Can't wait to share this with y'all. It's gonna be nice and cozy, a different little vibe. And then there he is. He's all the way over there at that house. Is where they delivered it. Well, friends and family alike, I'm about to go on strike, and I might catch a flight. And if I do, I'm gonna be out of sight. Bye, girl. What you eat? Oh, wait a minute, that's not clean. Oh, that's the hearts of palm, y'all. Roast them a little bit with the chicken. Some of that, a little bit of that in there. Just a little bit. A little sea salt. I don't know how that girl came up with this combination. It was genius. I damn love it. It's so good. It's such a good, happy, healthy meal. I be so full. I'm hoping, friend, because now today is a good day. Actually, today is a good day. I ain't even gonna lie. Gonna lie to you. But tomorrow might be a whole other story. Oh my goodness. So let's lay that over here on this side. Ow! And my plate looking better than the girl who invented it. I'm gonna add an avocado. We on our healthy-ish. Oh, it's a good one too. I should have did the other one. I think that one is about to go bad, y'all. And I'm always trying to get rid of my out vegetables so that I can go ahead and Instacart it before I Instacart the new ones. That's how I like to do it. But that's not always the case. So I try to eat even amounts of the food so that it'll start to run out around like the same time. Makes sense. I just love a good old avocado. So that's that. Let's dress that up. These avocados. I just actually added to everything. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to these avocados, because baby, it just enhances the non-flavor of its existence. I happen to think paprika makes everything look like it was cooked on chopped. Go back there to look cute. It also helps my brain to know that even though it's not a completely cooked meal or tray, that it's still delicious and it looks flavorful with all the little seasonings on it. Way more flavorful than it really is, even though it's already good without any of it. You know what I mean? That's a good thing. I literally just thought I saw like a face image right in that area. It was the weirdest thing. I showed Red. She said she could see the nose part of what I was seeing, but it didn't start kind of like fading away. The stinking pea trees. Beautiful, but stink. Ooh, friend. Disclaimer, if you are one of those people who do not like to see people eat, here is not your thing. This is probably that part of the video for you. We gonna catch you, girl, in the next video. Just saying, we're gonna catch you in the next one. We're gonna enjoy it with anybody else who need it. Friend, get your plate, your dinner, your lunch, whatever it is, and come on, let's talk, We're gonna enjoy this. So y'all should be proud of me, first of all, because you gotta start somewhere. Now I'm telling y'all, I ain't never gonna eliminate all the things that I love. Waiter, more wine, please. Look, but I have my water too, though. This is so healthy. So healthy. Girl, this could be something bad. I'm gonna say that this is partly why too, I'm having the breakouts, because this is helping to detox. What you think? Maybe not this, but Remy, don't come bothering me. Oh my God. It's a win. It's a win. Try these roasted hearts of palm. That's the win. Look at that. I've heard that people who are vegan will use hearts of palm as like a substitute for crab legs. You know, when you're recreating the same texture, crab meat. I'm gonna try it with like some garlic butter, cause I like it this way. So It's Saturday when I'm filming this video. I don't know if I said that already. It's the middle of the day, Saturday. Stop and smell the roses. Oh, that's beautiful. Anyway, what was I saying? It don't get, listen. Come here. Girl, it ain't often. Y'all, I'm taking advantage. Bay ain't here. Jerron is outside with Red and the boys. The house is quiet. I feel like I'm one of those parents who, oh God, somebody coming in. I feel like I'm one of those parents that have small children. And you know how when they go down for a nap and you just enjoy that moment of, I feel like I'm her. Did I revert backwards? Like, what? Girl, so good, y'all. Let's add something sweet to the mix. Strawberry. Somebody asked me if I was gonna go ahead and do my garden this year. That was my plan. And I'm trying to see, cost-wise, is it gonna be easier or better for me to just till up the ground, the yard as it is, but I ordered those, what they call, friend? The raised beds. Thank you, Brain. I ordered those raised beds, so I would like to use them, but aesthetic-wise, you know? But to answer that question, I would really love to grow what I'm Instacarting every few days, you know? Try one of these cucumbers. I love the small cucumber poppers. So good. I was so happy to know that the patio stuff came today. I still need to check and see if it's more stuff supposed to be coming, because I kind of feel like it is. I was strolling on here, YouTube, and saw that another young YouTube creator passed away. I'm a black girl. I'm in shock. I know his life. It's scary. We're getting younger and younger. Yeah, that was really sad. We have to live, y'all. We're doing all that. I live so intentionally. When I say I live intentionally, let me explain what that means. I wake up in the mornings, start at the top of the day, and I tell myself, I know I'm probably gonna have some menopausal related issues. I'm sure I am. Aches, pain, mental fog, brain fog, attitude change, mood swing, hot flash, cold flash, undersweat, body odor, and the list goes on. Whatever happens throughout the day, I'm going to do whatever in that moment that gives me some form of relief. Intentionally going to embrace this moment. Okay? I'm having a hot flash. I'm gonna rip this shirt off in that moment. I'm only gonna live one time. I'm gonna rip my shirt off in the moment and go through this hot flash. Titties are blazing. I'm dead serious. Somebody somewhere thought of that, wanted to do it, never done it, probably never will do it. Right? I'm living in the moment. If I snap on you, cauliflower, with or without the cottage cheese or mustard. Is it man-made or is that broccoli or both? It's good with the mustard though. I feel like you're not going. Bay is at a open house for a new home. Jay, I rebuke you in the name of everybody. Get back now. Sorry. I just finished watching BT. I'm a support our peoples. But baby, some of that acting, girl, it is down on the lines of Tubi. Like for real. I was hungry. Another thing too that is helping me, friend, going back to eating once, maybe twice a day. Maybe not something outside of this for dinner. Why was I just now telling you that? I don't even remember. Why did I tell you that? I have no clue why I just said that. Oh, when I break my unintentional fast, right? It's with this. Pick your battle. Pick your battle, friend. Don't let other people pick your battles. Oh, I think I was telling y'all about bad. I think this wine is kicking in. You kicking in. I feel like we are literally out to dinner. Me and you, girlfriend. I'm so glad you picked me up today, or did I pick you up? Did you pick me up, did I pick you up, or did we meet here? You probably picked me up, because y'all know I hate driving. I knew I didn't really want to come out the house. I was like, girl, come on. Here we are. I don't know what restaurant we're at. Wait a minute, friend. My ears was getting hot. I thought I was about to have a hot flash, but might just be the wig. Friend, listen, when it start getting warmer, I think I'm gonna just start wearing like shorter, or, you know. Speaking of the wigs, y'all. Child, I don't think he's getting a different one with his hair. I mean, he knows it's still me, but he feels like there's a different version of me that comes with each look. Like this lady right here is giving him, I don't know if I told y'all this, but Red took Mama to the closet today. We have a place here. It's like a free thrift store. It's only open on certain days. You go in and they give you a bag, how much ever you can get in that bag for free. Anyway, Red took Mama. And she really loved everything she got. I'm gonna call her in a minute and see if she talked my head off about it. I am full. By the way, I used some Icy Hot Extreme and a knee pad that I Instacarted from Walgreens last night. On my knee, I compressed this up, kind of feeling like, see, I ain't even have to go to the doctor. Make sure my big kahunas aren't hanging out. I know they're humongous, man. Friend, it has been a pleasure hanging out with you. Thank you for this lunch date. I needed this. You needed this. We needed this. More present, more intentional, more open, more vulnerable, more vulnerable, more vulnerability. Hey, I thought I was having a stroke. You're the problem. If I'm not ready